So I have a clip here that if I grab this playhead and I slide along, I can move my playhead to this area, press the B key on my keyboard to get the blade, and click. If I move this over, you can see that there's this line here. And I can go back to A with arrow and click and hit delete.
Once you hit delete, it will either close the gap or it will leave a black little spacer, and that is a gap or a placeholder. You can go ahead and click on that and use the other delete on your keyboard. The one that is over the return key will delete the actual clip and close the space. If you hit the delete that is over the number key, then that is the one that will leave a gap.
You can see that the arrow is here. I can click on this down arrow. You can see the blade. Another tool that I like to use is the trim tool, and I can trim back and forth with this clip, making sure that when I do the trim, which direction. If this ever happens to you, just click on this right here, and I can trim back any of these clips this way. One of the things I want to make sure that as I'm doing my trimming, you'll notice that if I have my blade tool, notice how it snaps right to that line? That is this right here. This is called your snapping. And if I click on it, it turns it white. That means I can make some fine tune cuts. It's not going to cut right on that blade. I like to have it on